What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J Bone again here. Just wanted to give you some quick results I found after using this Valvoline Restore and Protect oil. I was doing some replacing the valve cover gaskets on the GM 3-liter direct injected motor today, and just give you a little background, not to get too into it, but when I first bought this car, I upgraded the throttle body, and I noticed that oil kept pooling in the air intake tube. Not a lot, but it would always pool right there in where the fresh air hose for the PCV comes out. And every time I took the air filter out, or anytime I had this off and looked in there, there was oil. And so I found out that you need to drill that crankcase ventilation valve. The holes are too small from the factory, so you got to drill those out a little bigger. So I did that, and I never saw oil pool up in here again. And then add a few more miles, maybe another year or two. I've had this car. I ended up redoing the intake gaskets, and let me see if I can find that rag. Every time I pulled this intake off, there was always oil on there. I already wiped this one clean, but you can see when I wiped it clean with it, there's always oil in there, and there was always a little bit of oil down there underneath the intake manifold. And so I didn't like that too much, and I found out that GM kind of had a design flaw with this valve cover gasket. It's sucking in too much air right there, so it ends up sucking in oil. You can see they got the updated design here. I'm sure you guys have seen these by now, but this is all closed in now, and it just has 3 little holes that it wants to breathe through. I'm actually gonna open these up a little bit, because hey, I can't return it once I open this thing up anyway, so it's mine. But to go from that all the way down to that is a little extreme, so I'm gonna hope you can see that. I'm gonna drill those holes out just a wee bit. Anyway, the point I wanted to make with the video, though, is that I've been using this Valvoline oil for the past 3 oil changes, and I think it says, at least from the website where I bought it, like AutoZone or something, they want you to do it for 4 oil changes to get the 100% deposit removal there. I'm about midway through my 3rd oil change, so the next one will definitely be the 4th. But I just wanted to show you some of these results when I pulled this valve cover off. Man, I was actually impressed. This thing looks really, really clean in there. All the cam caps, all the lobes are really looking good. You can see down there the valve springs and everything. I mean, there is no sludge or any kind of crap down in there. And this is actually the dirty side of the engine. I'm probably going to put a link in the video here of another mechanic that's got one of these out of the car. It's a high mileage car he was working on, but he actually has both of the valve covers off, and this side is always a lot cleaner than the dirty side where the PCV valve comes in. This is where your fresh air goes in on that side. But I mean, you could even see in my valve cover here, there's no sludge. It likes to sludge on the end cap right there, and there's where the tubes, spark plug tubes go. There's really, like I said, I was kind of upset I even had to change this. This valve, this gasket wasn't leaking a drop, and there was no oil in the spark plug tubes or anything. That one's it's hard to tell in the video, but that one's like kind of dirty down there, but it's not oil. But yeah, I'll put a link in that video and you can kind of look, because I'm not going to end up taking both sides off on this job at the same time. I'm just doing one at a time, but this side is going to look exactly like that, or it might even be a little bit lighter color, you know, than this tinge here. But I am really happy with this. I'm probably going to use this Restore and Protect for like two more oil changes maybe, and then I'll switch over to their high mileage. I like the Valvoline Max Life, the high mileage. Yeah, I found out the Max Life actually has more cleaning detergents in it than this, so either one of them are going to keep your motor looking that clean. But just to kind of show you here, this car is 15 years old. I hope my radio doesn't come on jamming. Oh my gosh, I got all kinds of lights there. Okay, so it's got 157,000 on it. I hope that comes up okay in the video. A little over 157 on the mileage. It's a 2010. This looks awesome. And I'm not sponsored by Valvoline or anything like that. So just kind of giving you guys some real world results, man. I'd recommend putting this stuff in anything. Thanks for watching.